Hi, Roddy. My party won't start until 6 p.m. since my mom's going to be delayed, okay? So my party will be starting at 6 p.m. Just letting you all know my party won't start until 6 p.m. Y'all live in Bellefonte, just come right out. Y'all live in State College, please come down to my birthday. Y'all invited, okay? Thank you, and come right down to Carnet's party at 6 p.m., okay? I'm just letting you know the party won't start until 6 p.m. Please come right down, okay? This is Karius Mrs. Birthdays. Just letting you all know. This is Karius Mrs. Birthday, and I'm inviting all of you to come to my party at 6 p.m. Okay? This is Karius Miss area. The party won't start until 6 p.m. Thank you, and please have a nice day. This is Karius Miss area. Signing off. Thank you and goodbye.